Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to replay your Keynote slideshow on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Keynote app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap the presentation you want to show. Next, look at the top and tap on play button. This will start your slideshow from the first slide. Go through your slides by swiping left or tapping the screen to move to the next slide. If you want to replay the slideshow, you have two options. Option 1 will not slideshow in, just tap the play button at the top again. This will start the presentation from the beginning. Option 2, you can also tap the three dot at the top right, then choose play slideshow from the menu. This will also start your slide from the first slide. If you want to replay just a specific section, you can swipe back to that slide during the slideshow, then continue forward from there. And that's it. Now you know how to replay your Keynote slideshow on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.